afternoon. And first of all, I would like to congratulate the students for patiently and just give out your best, and hopefully you will develop that further. And I congratulate also the teachers for their energy, and of course, it is just like what Lloyd was saying kanina, it was all service. I know. The compensation is not really inviting or somehow masugot mo ng particular situation. You will teach them different age, but you give it all also in your part. So congratulations, teachers. I would like also to congratulate the parents for acknowledging the importance of developing the individual talents of your children. And ang mga talents na natin mga anak should not be kept and be in their hearts and in their minds. The parents as siyahan ng factor in developing the talents of their children. Without the support and the love of the parents, di rin makikita natin ang talent na natin mga anak. Somehow, mga natural talent will just come out. And sad to say, the other person or the other personality can discover the talent of your child. And this is also good for all of us parents to discover first that there is talent in our child. So congratulations, parents, for your support. And this is also, I would like to share to the students that you should be thankful for your parents. Dako nila support, dako nila pag-acknowledge na your talent can be developed. So, I was so excited. I was also challenged by Mr. Rick Islis. Sa rin pa nila, he is the oldest, but he is very passionate in learning drums. So next year, maybe Kamiliwa will take part ito ng pag-estudyante. I love to play drums. And so happy na hindi ako pwede mag-play or mag-practice kay daytime I'm working sa pwede. So maybe we will invite the teacher to have a special class for us. Yeah. And maybe some of the parents who have underdeveloped talent pa in any of the equipment or any of the instrument, you can take part. You can join us. Huwag kayong magalala, hindi pa huli ang lahat. So, I'm still dreaming to play the drums. And maybe after a year or 2 years from now, you can see me playing the drums. Yeah. Yes. So, thank you so much, and we hope that everyone, the parents, feel the joy and happiness seeing their children upstairs, overcoming their confidence. You know, this is not just about developing our talents, but personality as well. We can develop our personality, our self-esteem, our confidence, presenting ourselves at the stage. So next year, we'll be hoping that Lloyd again will be inspired after this success. That next year he will be preparing na naman for another set of students, another set of workshop. And again, with the leaders of the church, myself, I am 100% supporting this workshop. I love to see the children playing instrument, singing. Huli na kasi ako. But I would like also to share the same passion with the parents. You know, we don't prepare ourselves anymore for this kind of circumstances or situation. We prepare ourselves for these children, the next generation. What I mean is, we focus more on this coming generation, the younger generation, I mean. Because we are now in the twilight. Halfway, we are in the halfway. So, the more opportunity belongs to the young generation. But one thing is good about this workshop, this does not also develop their talents and confidence, but they are introduced to a different performance. We introduce performance not for themselves, but a performance over to the Lord. So we develop talents, we use talents for the glory of God. That's what our purpose is. So, thank you so much, and God bless. Students, keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Okay, thank you, and good evening.